everyone, welcome back to my channel Move with Na. My name is Natasia. Today we're going to be doing a Pilates workout focusing on the core. So if you're joining my workouts for the first time here, just to share a bit more about the style of my Pilates classes, I like to work through all the details and helping you setting up the exercises. So when you're doing this and following me at home, you kind of have an idea of whether you're doing it correctly or not, even if you can't see me and I can't see you. So grab your mat and let's follow along. Before we get into it, let's start with a bit of warm-up. So lie down on your back with your feet hips width apart, palms facing down. Let's do a little bit of bridging. Inhale to prepare. As you exhale, dig your heels into the ground. Slowly roll up in 4, 3, 2, 1. At the top, inhale. And exhale, slowly roll down. I hope you guys can't hear the drilling that's going on upstairs. Again, inhale to prepare. Exhale, slowly rolling up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale at the top, roll down in 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, keep this movement going. Exhale, rolling up, reaching your knees forward as you open up those hips. Keep the rib cage closed. Inhale at the top and exhale, roll down in 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, let's go 2 more. Exhale, rolling up, reaching those knees forward. Inhale at the top and exhale, roll down. Good, let's go last one. Inhale, exhale, rolling up. Lower back, middle back, upper back, widest part of your shoulders. Inhale and exhale, roll down in 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, so we warmed up our spine a little bit. Let's warm up our core into chest lift. Interlace your fingers, bring it behind your head. You're gonna inhale to prepare. As you exhale, roll up head, neck, and shoulders. Inhale, reach up, grab behind your thighs. Exhale, pull yourself higher and hold. Inhale, reach up behind your head and exhale, roll down. Good, let's do that again. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, roll up, head, neck, and shoulders. Inhale, reach up, grab behind your thighs. Exhale, pull yourself higher and hold. Inhale, reach up behind your head and exhale, roll down. Good, let's go 3 more times. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, reach. And exhale, grab and hold higher. Inhale, reach behind your head. Exhale, roll down. I think you got the hang of it. Again, inhale, prepare. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, reach, grab behind your thighs. Exhale, pull yourself higher, hold. Inhale, reach behind your head, and exhale, come down. Let's go last one. Inhale, prepare. And exhale, curl up. Inhale, reach, grab behind your thighs. Exhale, pull yourself higher, hold. Inhale, reach behind your head, and exhale, roll down. Woo. All right, hope you guys are feeling a little warm now. And we're gonna go right into single leg stretch. So you're gonna bring both hands above your right shin, and then you're gonna straighten that left leg away, floating off the ground. Use your arms to curl up head, neck, and shoulders, and bring your eye gaze towards your left toes. Stay curled up, and we're gonna switch. And switch. And switch. Make sure you're looking straight ahead towards the toes that's further away. Last 8, and 7, and a 6, and a 5, and 4, and 3, and 2. Holding onto your right leg. Slowly bring your hands behind your head, and you're gonna reach the left shoulder to your right thigh, and switch. Right into crisscross, and switch. Bring your eye gaze towards the outside of that armpit, towards your elbow. Good, switch for 8, and 7, and 6, and 5. Exhale, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Relax. Hug your knees to your chest. Rock gently from side to side. Whew. Okay, if you were doing that for the first time, I want you to slow it down and make sure you're not rushing it so much. Really focus on pressing the lower back into the mat and keeping your body controlled. Okay, we're gonna level up a little bit, but before that, let's prep with a little toe tap. So you're gonna bring your feet hips width apart, knees above hips, press the lower back into the mat. You're gonna inhale, reach that right foot away. Exhale, bring it back to center. Inhale, reach away. Exhale, bring it back. Every time you're pulling your leg back to 90, think about drawing the belly button in towards the spine to really activate those core muscles. Inhale and exhale. Last 4. Last 3. So if you start feeling an arch in your lower back, then just make sure you're not lowering your legs too much. Good. Okay, now glue your knees and toes together. Bring your hands behind your head and curl up, eye gaze between your thighs. And you're gonna inhale, reach both feet away. Exhale, bring it back to 90. Inhale, reach away. Exhale, back to 90. This is really tough. Try to stay curled up, shoulders off the ground. You can do it. Last 4. And 3. And 2. Good. You can choose to stay with your legs bent, dipping down, continuing this movement, or if you want to level it up, you're going to extend your toes up to the ceiling and inhale, reach down, and exhale, bring it up. Only go as low as you can while keeping that lower back pressed to the mat. Last 4 and 3. Good. 2, stay curled up. I know it's burning. And last 1. Whew, hug your knees to your chest, relax down. Nice work, everyone. Okay, let's stretch out those abs a little. You're gonna roll to one side. And come here to the top of the mat. Right leg back, left leg back. Send your bum forward, press the shoulders down away from your ears. Eye gaze looking forward, feeling a nice stretch in your abs. Exhale, reach your bum towards your heels. Sit back in a child's pose, stretching out your lower back. Nice work, everyone. I encourage you to keep practicing these exercises. In the beginning, they may feel very new and foreign, but with greater practice, you'll really be able to focus on activating and strengthening those core muscles. And that really helps improve your posture and prevent lower back injuries as well.